So one of the labor techniques we like to use here at the birth center is with this lovely guy. It's called the Cub, and it's like U-shaped. And what the pregnant person does is they can get up on the bed and lean on it like this, and it basically gives them like hands and knees position without it tiring their arms, and then their knees don't get hurt either because they're on the bed. So it's really nice. And often we will do like a double hip squeeze or put pressure on their sacrum, or even like put cool rags on their back or warm rags. And that's one of my favorite support things to do when things are getting intense and they kind of just need to take a break, but we still want them to be in more of an upright position to help baby move down into their pelvis.